everybody. Welcome to Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop. At Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop, we offer the biggest brands at the lowest prices. Okay. We are the distributors here at Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop for the Pack Vacuum range backpacks. We have got the Super Pro Duo 700 at $330. We've got the Super Pro 700 at $299. We've got the PackVac Pro Lite at $239.99. We also are the distributors for CleanTech backpacks, and they range the Aero Silvers, which is this little vacuum here, is at $259. We've got the CleanTech Piggyvac, which is a very popular backpack for commercial industrial use, at $240. We've got the Super V at $220, and we've got the J-Pack at $139. Very good quality backpacks. We also do all repairs of the machinery on site. As well as our vacuums, we've got all the parts for the PackVacs and for the CleanTechs, and all the hoses as well. So everything is covered for your backpacks. When it comes to high pressured sanders and suction polishers, we have the Polyvac brand, which is one of the best brands on the market. We have brand new Polyvacs and second hand, which are all covered by warranty. And again, all repairs are done here at Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop. Auto scrubbers, we have the Tasky and we have the NSS Wrangler. Again, two of the best brands on the market. Come in, have a check out of these machines. We can also do demos out on the work site, and again, all covered by repairs. When it comes to high pressure systems, we have the Karcher range, all ranging from low PSI up to the high pressure PSI, and again, all covered by warranty. We've also got scissor trolley carts from Sabco. We've also got Oates. We've always got these products in stock. When it comes to hard floor chemicals, again, we've got three of the best companies in the business that we stock here at Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop. Whiteley's, Diversi and Peerless. So if you're after sealers for either vinyl, wood, concrete, or strippers, maintainers, tile cleaners, we've got it all here. And whenever a customer buys any of these products, we always print out the material safety data sheet and technical bulletin for them. Our mops and buckets, we have the best prices in Newcastle and the Hunter Valley. We've got the Oates range, we have the Sabco range, we've also got a cheaper range out there. Buckets start from $25. We've also got the handles for the buckets. We've got the caution wet floor signs, dusting cloths. We have the squeegees, and they range from the 45 centimetre, 55, 60, up to 75. We've got all the dust mops, feather dusters. We have the best range in Newcastle. When it comes to dispensers, we've got it all. We are the distributor for Torque and Regal. So if it's soap dispensers you're after, if it's toilet paper dispensers, Interlead hand towel dispensers, napkin holders, we've got it all. So if you've got a hotel or a club, kitchen, bistro, gymnasium, healthcare centre, medical centre, we can come out and install these dispensers for you. We've also got friendly sales representatives that will come in and install these dispensers for you free of charge, because at Newcastle Cleaning Supply Shop, we're always serving the community.
Hi, I'm Danny.